This is a superb example of a microclimate. As I've said in other videos, the surrounds of these waterfalls comprise dry grass, trees. It's savanna grassland peppered with trees. Right between here and Lusaka, 500 kilometers, the scenery is the same. It's dry bush. But where the spray feeds the soil, I'm now standing in a mini tropical rainforest. And there's plants here that are the same that I found in Panama. Right in front of us, you will see a tree with buttress roots. There it is. And the ground is carpeted with foliage, dying leaves that will rot and provide the humus to be diluted into the soil with the rain and the spray to give fertilization to the plants. And look at this lovely example of a buttress root tree. And right in the foreground here, we've got waxy coated leaves of a tiny shrub. They're thick so the rain won't snap them. They're waxy so they won't be eaten by insects, and the rain will soon fall off the leaves. Then you've got lots of leaves which are very, very thin, spliced, sunlit, and you can see that the rain would soon fall off them. This is the mini rainforest, the mini tropical rainforest caused by the phenomenon of the spray nurturing nature. A fabulous example of a microclimate. The textbooks have told us that the trees in the tropical rainforest have shallow roots because the soil is often stony. And this tree has died, it's fallen, and you can see the shallow roots. And there's the tree. And if you look into the distance, all the branches are devoid of leaves until they reach the top where they feel they've won the race for light. The race isn't that intense in this mini jungle rainforest, but it's a great example of the microclimate giving a miniature portrait of the tropical rainforest here in Zimbabwe. And it is a wonderful feeling to be showered with light spray when it's 35 degrees centigrade.